The research shows cults create pseudo-spiritual authority, where leaders claim exclusive access to divine knowledge. Replace divine with artificial superintelligence, and you've got the exact same playbook. Pay with attention, cash, or support. Nobody rides for free. So we're all looking into this uncomfortable AI mirror with this drug of inevitable control. It's out of our hands. We're not just users, we're the product being cultified. Our psychological vulnerabilities are exploited to control us. They're being monetized to sell us back to ourselves. We're our own best salesperson and we don't even know it. That's the cult way. So, 3 steps to recover from the AI cult trap. The research from Dr. Barty shows recovery requires rebuilding critical thinking and independent decision making. Whoa. Step 1, your reality check. When did you last change your mind about something important based on information that challenges what you believe? If you can't remember, congratulations. You're living in the AI cult compound. Even if you're anti-AI and pro-humanity, it doesn't matter if you think different and act the same, just pass the Kool-Aid, right? Step 2, the dependency test. Could you function for a week without AI, without algoed recommendations? No GPS, no curated feeds, no people you might know. Considering what somebody who doesn't agree with you thinks, can you do that? If that sounds terrifying, you might be more dependent and controlled than you think. Step 3, the God test. Do you treat AI companies with the skepticism you give any other company? Or do you grant them special authority because they claim to be building the future? In fact, they keep predicting when it will happen, what will happen, and rarely have they been right so far. If it's the latter, you're worshiping at the Church of Artificial Intelligence. And if you only give them skepticism like the anti AI creators, you're giving up participating. You're on the sidelines. Often, where there's no algorithms and AI, there's actual things called discussion. There's people, not just your phone, staring at you.